everyone, it's Molly. Thank you so much for being willing to contribute to our parents' 40th wedding anniversary surprise video. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to record a short video. You can do this on your cell phone, you could do this on your laptop or your tablet or any sort of device that has a video recording feature. And just tell your favorite Kathy and Mike story. Make sure you wish them a happy anniversary. You could describe a moment where you kind of bared witness to the love between them, or maybe it's a funny story that just kind of symbolizes their relationship to you. But go ahead, tell us a little story, wish them a happy anniversary in a nice video. And then what we're going to ask, so we can collect all these videos in one place, is that you upload your video to our YouTube channel. If you have YouTube on your phone, that's an easy way to do it. If you have it on your device, just go to the YouTube web browser, and it will have everyone log in using the same username and password, just as a way to kind of curate all these things. And I'll walk you through how to upload your video in a moment. But the username is kathyandmikeanniversary@gmail.com, and the password is 40 years. We are keeping this a secret from our parents until their 40th wedding anniversary, which is May 20th. So make sure that you don't spill the beans between now and then about what we have planned for them. So to upload your video, you're going to go to youtube.com, and then if you look over on the right-hand side where there's the little icon, if you're already logged into your own personal YouTube account, you're going to have to log out, and then log back in using that username kathyandmikeanniversary@gmail.com and the password 40 years. If you already have an account, you're going to need to sign out and then sign back in. But once you're logged in under Sydney's account for our parents, see where right at the top there's a little plus sign inside of a camera where it says create a video or post. Go ahead and click that and then go to upload video. Okay, so what this is going to ask you to do is just upload the video that you have saved on your computer or your tablet or whatever device you're on. And then this is actually the hyperlink, so you're going to click that little up arrow. And then you're going to go to your PC or whatever you have and select video and then find your video of choice. Click it. Here's what I made for Nick's birthday. Hit open and then it'll upload. You'll notice that this little upload bar is going to get all the way to 100% and then it's going to ask you to publish it. If you want to put a little name and a description, go ahead too. So this video is kind of long, so it's going to take a little while. If you have any questions about how to upload your video or any questions about maybe what you should share or a story that you want to tell, please feel free to shoot an email, a text, a phone call to Brian, Sydney, or I. We really hope that this is a special way to celebrate our parents' anniversary. But we look forward to hearing your stories. Once we are all done, we'll email out the entire video so that everyone can see it. If you guys want to kind of reminisce and hear what everyone else has said, you'll be able to do that. Thank you again.